Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the bolt trailer coupler lock for the Nissan factory key. Now this kit will fit many Nissan vehicles. Now the vehicles that this will work on, we do list them on the product page of this part number, or if you want you can go to our fit guide on our website, put in your year and model vehicle, and it'll show you which Nissans this will work on. Now this bolt coupler lock protects your trailer from towaway theft by preventing hookup to your coupler. And I did want to pop up an insert just to show you what we're talking about. If you look, you can see this lock on a trailer coupler, so it prevents anybody from hooking up to their vehicle and towing your trailer away. This part will include everything laid out here on the table. It includes the plate itself, the shackle strap, the bolt lock and the pin, and then two different size balls with the bolt to attach the correct one to the plate. This will fit most latch style couplers. Now the two included balls we talked about, it'll allow an application, the smaller one for a 1 7/8 inch or a 2 inch coupler. If you use the larger one, it'll work for a 2 5/16 size coupler. Basically the coupler ball socket will attach to the ball on the plate. So basically once you install this one, we're going to use the smaller ball here, and once you get that bolt tightened down and torqued into place, I pulled a 2 inch coupler. So as we mentioned, the ball socket on the coupler is what will attach to the ball here on the plate. So if you just open the latch, drop it onto the ball, latch it, now it's hooked onto there. And then what you'll do is take this shackle strap, drop it into the back portion here, and drop it down as far as it'll go to where it lays on top of your latch so nobody can open the latch. Once those holes line up correctly, then you'll slide the pin through. That pin will go all the way through the shackle, and then you'll take your bolt lock and put it on the end there. The shackle has 6 positions you can put it in. It's a steel collar to restrict coupler latch movement. And as we mentioned, the bolt lock itself will code to your vehicle's ignition key. So basically when you open this, you'll be able to put your ignition key in here and code it to where that would work in this lock to have your one key to work on your ignition and even on the lock. It does use a 6-plate tumbler sidebar on the lock to prevent picking or bumping. Now I did want to show you also an insert. That's the type of key on the Nissans that this lock will work with. If your key looks like either one of those, it'll work with this lock. One thing I do want to mention, that this bolt lock will permanently code to only one vehicle. They cannot be recoded or rekeyed. And you can see these parts do have a nice bright red and a black powder coat finish on them to resist corrosion. So if you needed to fit a larger 2 5/16 coupler, then all you have to do is switch out the ball, remove your bolt, put the larger one on there, tighten it down, it'll fit the larger couplers. But that should do it for the review on this bolt trailer coupler lock for the Nissan factory key.